is we're going to make a smoothie.
Why are you staring that thing at me?
And we're going to see whether my smoothies are good or not.
Is it any good?
Well, this, are you going to try it? You're going to be the
After
test.
you.
No.
Dun 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 dun.
We gotta add a bit of sugar.
Make it like a Wendy's smoothie. Holy shiznot. Okay, now let's
You know what?
stir it. Does that taste bad?
Not really.
Is it bad?
No, I just added a little too much of the...
That's a decent smoothie.
Yeah, just not lumpy enough, eh?
That's perfect. Some taste like raw pancake.
That's...
Is it pancake or what the F is that?
That is something I cannot remember.
Are you
Wait,
sure
wait.
your mom didn't
Nice
replace
mustache. He put that one out there for all the ladies.
I put this one out there for all the ladies.